Right, good evening everyone, and first of all, thank you for coming this evening. This is an amazing turnout, very impressive turnout. Congratulations to you all. I know it's difficult on a Friday when you have other things, other commitments, but it's very, very encouraging to see so many people here this evening. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Councillor Norman Adams, and as Mayor of the Royal Borough of Greenwich, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Town Hall this evening in honour of His Holiness the Dalai Lama of Tibet and his visit to the O2 at Greenwich this weekend. I am most proud that our Royal Borough has so much diversity, richness of culture and traditions, and in particular, the Royal Borough welcomes the contribution that the Tibetan community makes to our community. I am very much looking forward to having the opportunity to be present at the temples of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and his public talk tomorrow at the O2, and also the community event which we will hold at the Town Hall tomorrow evening. I understand that the Dalai Lama will be giving a talk on compassion, the foundations of well-being. He is much loved and respected across the globe, and as an emissary of peace, he is widely recognised for his work promoting world peace, the debate on climate change, and interreligious understanding and tolerance. And as you're probably well aware, he has just celebrated his 80th birthday, but is still working tirelessly for the good of mankind. So, welcome again, and I'd now like to ask Tesrin Passan, Chairman of the Tibetan Community in Britain, to come forward and to speak to us further. Thank you.
Good evening, Tashidale. Before I speak, I'm going to ask Lama Lobsang, a Tibetan Buddhist monk, to lead a Buddhist prayer, the prayer of truth. Lama Lobsang.
조선 이베테네 주주지.
I'm very delighted in the presence of Mayor Councillor Norman Adams and the Deputy Mayor Councillor Olu Babachola in this gorgeous town hall of Royal Borough of Greenwich. And I would like to thank the Mayor's office for hosting this wonderful reception, paying tribute and according very warm welcome and reception to the Dalai Lama, the Tibetan spiritual leader, who is also 80 this year and coming to our borough tomorrow to address over 10,000 people coming from different parts of the UK and Europe. This perfect tribute and warm reception accorded to the Dalai Lama, it's very much appreciated and acknowledged by the Tibetan community in the United Kingdom, particularly in the Royal Borough of Greenwich, and hosting a Tibetan flag. Later this evening, as I was speaking to Mayor a little earlier that the Royal Borough of Greenwich is the largest concentration of Tibetans living in one single borough. There are over 100 Tibetans and children in this particular borough. In the whole of the United Kingdom, there are just over 700 Tibetans. And I particularly appreciate the very warm tribute paid by the Mayor, recognizing Dalai Lama as the champion of peace. As we all know, Dalai Lama is also one of the most well-known refugees in the world, a Nobel Peace Laureate who has been exiled in India since March 1959. The Tibetans in the UK, we follow the advice of Dalai Lama, the message of peace, compassion, and also integration into the local host society. This weekend, Dalai Lama will be addressing on the compassion, the foundation of well-being at the O2. And event like that also brings some revenue to the borough and its people. And I don't want to go on, but once again, I would like to acknowledge the Mayor's office for hosting and according this warm reception to our spiritual leader. And I would like to thank particularly Alison and Raj from the Mayor's office for their wonderful cooperation and help all this time. And I also want to acknowledge Katrina and Dee and other colleagues in the council, and also for allowing us to use the main hall tomorrow evening for a cultural event. We hope that there will be a few hundred Tibetans and friends and admirers of Dalai Lama coming together and celebrate in the town hall. And with the proceeds we raise from tomorrow's evening, we are going to donate to the victims of Nepal earthquake. seen in Nepal, some 20,000, and over 10 Tibetans were killed or died in this natural disaster, and many are trying to rebuild their lives. So I want to acknowledge this support from the Council, a way of supporting the Tibetan refugees in the Indian subcontinent, particularly in Nepal. On this very short note, I would like to once again thank Mayor and Deputy Mayor for welcoming us and allowing us to hoist the Tibetan flag in the town hall. In addition, in the big screen, the bar is going to run a welcome message later today, later tonight, and then tomorrow morning, with Dalai Lama's portrait, welcome message, and the Tibetan flag. Thank you very much once again. I now would like to invite our rising star, a resident in Royal Borough, Greenwich, Ngawang Lotu, a Tibetan singer who was born and raised in a very remote Tibetan part, a Tibetan area in northeastern Tibet. And he has recently performed at the Mohammed Festival and also on the BBC radio. And tomorrow evening or tomorrow afternoon, he's going to perform in front of over 10,000 people at the O2 Arena. So, will you please welcome Ngawang Lotu.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And first, I wanted to thank Royal Greenwich Borough, Mayor and Deputy Mayor. Thanks very much for having us here. And I'm going to sing some Tibetan traditional nomadic song, which is a welcoming song, mainly to praise for natural beauty inside Tibet. achieve gratitude to the His Holiness Dalai Lama. I've been composed this song on His Holiness Dalai Lama's birthday, 80th birthday. So I was so fortunate that I'm able to perform this song on BBC World Service a couple of weeks ago. So again today here, I have an opportunity to sing song to praise about His Holiness Dalai Lama, that his wonderful commitment to promotion of peace and religious harmony and also human value. Thank you.
Thank you.
may I request Mayor to join me and support me to raise the Tibetan flag.
상만 염도 따로 나는 거죠. 여기 합치면 얘도 J, 예, 좀.
That is almost the end of the evening's program. But before that, what we're going to do is we're going to have a group photo session. And I would like to invite the little kids in Chuba costume. And those who are in Chuba can also join us with Mayor, and we'll have a group photo. And it will probably in the next edition of the local newspaper. And once again, thank you very much, Mayor and Mayor's office. Thank you.